Want to know how to enable quick help in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you have done that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here, or this interface right here. And now once you have done that, you should be seeing this upper navigation bar, and once you're there, here you should be seeing something known as help. So you can just simply select it, and now to get or select quick help, on top you should already be seeing quick help, so you can just simply select it, and this should open up a new browser or an external browser of your preferences, and this should divert you to the official Audacity page. So now this is the getting started quick help guide. So here you can just simply select any one of these in order to redirect you to how it works and how it can help you. So here you can see tour guide as well. You can just simply select it for tour guide and much more, and that's it. This is really helpful for beginners and more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.